Welcome once again, and let's talk about Shibadoge and Crypto.com. Remember, last year Shibadoge listed Crypto.com as one of the coins that they are working towards getting Shibadoge listed. That's why listed 3 top exchanges. Now, Crypto.com, I believe this year, if Shibadoge can really work hard, already this year Shibadoge have started the year with an impressive increase in price. Shibadoge ended last year with just about $7 million market cap. Today, you can see the market cap of Shibadoge is now approaching $35 million. That is from this year, from the 1st of January this year, Shibadoge started gaining a lot of people coming in, investors buying Shibadoge coin, and I believe very soon we'll be seeing Shibadoge hitting $50 million to $100 million market cap. Now, Crypto.com, definitely, I believe so many crypto exchanges will be looking at Shibadoge right now because this coin have really increased. This coin have shown a lot of effort, and I believe that it's going to fasten the listing of Shibadoge by other top crypto exchanges, and I hope to see Crypto.com listing in Shibadoge. Remember, Crypto.com is one of the top crypto exchanges with over 10 million global customers. They can really shake a particular coin, and I believe Crypto.com listing in Shibadoge will definitely bring a better benefit, will definitely help Shibadoge price, Shibadoge community, Shibadoge cap to really increase. I hope to see Crypto.com and Shibadoge partner this year. I hope to see Crypto.com CRO, the local coin, where you can buy Shibadoge with CRO. Of course, you can buy Shibadoge with a USDT on Crypto.com. It's going to help this coin to really grow, and let's hope to see this year become one of the best years for crypto industry. And as I'm hoping to see Crypto.com and Shibadoge sign that partnership that will help Shibadoge really increase in price. But please remember, this is not a financial advice, so please kindly do your own research before taking any decision.